Hi everyone. Price Pritchett is a writer who has written this book, You Squared. And in this book, he has cautioned us what mistakes do we do to achieve success in our life. I mean, in any endeavor of life, in any sector, whatever field we are, we do a common mistake to achieve success. Let us read the story, what he says. The quotation is, if you do not expect it, you will not find the unexpected. A true story. I'm sitting in a quiet room at the Millcroft Inn, a peaceful little place hidden back among the pine trees about an hour out of Toronto. It is just past noon, late July, and I am listening to the desperate sound of a life or death struggle going on a few feet away. There is a small fly burning out the last of its short life's energies in a futile attempt to fly through the glass of the window pane. The whining wings tell the poignant story of the fly's strategy: try harder. But it is not working. The frenzied effort offers no hope for survival. Ironically, the struggle is part of the trap. It is impossible for the fly to try hard enough to succeed at breaking through the glass. Nevertheless, this little insect has staked its life on reaching its goal through raw effort and determination. This fly is doomed. It will die there on the windshield. Across the room, 10 steps away, the door is open. 10 seconds of flying time, and this small creature could reach the outside world it seeks. With only a fraction of the effort now being wasted, it could be free of this self imposed trap. The breakthrough possibility is there. It would be so easy. Why does not fly try another approach? Something dramatically different. How did it get so locked in on the idea that this particular route and determined effort offer the most promise for success? What logic is there in continuing until death to seek a breakthrough with more of the same? No doubt, this approach makes sense to the fly. Regrettably, it's an idea that will kill. Trying harder is not necessarily the solution to achieving more. It may not offer any real promise for getting what you want out of life. Sometimes, in fact, it is a big part of problem. If you stake your hopes for a breakthrough on trying harder than ever, you may kill your chances for success. Price Pritchett. What does he wanted to highlight? He want to highlight that we should adopt a different approach in our life. In any endeavor, whatever we are doing, we may not be in the same field. We are in the same different fields. I'm pursuing my dream in different field. You may be pursuing in different field. But the principle of success is the same in any field. If we are not getting success by approaching one particular route, one particular process. Why don't we change the process? Why don't we change the approach? This is what he wanted to highlight. And the major cause of this is our belief system, our habits, our paradigm. In my last video, I highlighted that there are 7 levels of awareness. That if we don't enhance our awareness, we are stuck where we are. Because we don't know, we are not aware of a new approach, of a new thing, of a new style, of a new working, of a new action, of a new plan, of a new strategy. We just keep on trying the same of the again and again and again of the same approach. Better to try another approach and seek success, what you and I are looking for in our life to make our dreams and desire come true in reality. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy, love everyone, and keep smiling. God bless. Thank you very much.